what's up, fam? Happy Friday. I'm on my way to my friend Lily's house. He is getting ready to do a video and he needs my car to do the video. So I'm going over there right now to assist and watch him turn my car into a brand new car again. And I think some of y'all seen my friend Lily, because I used to do edits for him and film for him when he was doing his videos, and I'm probably going to start helping him again do some of his videos so he can get back to being consistent. And yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, fam, because I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get here. I just told him to text me his address this morning, and I forgot to put it in my GPS to see how long it was gonna take me to get there. And I'm hoping I'm not late, because I hate to be late, y'all. But I'll see y'all in a minute, fam, once I get there. Okay, y'all, he getting started.
Let that sit for about 2 minutes. You can see the purple come out already.
Okay. Say hey to my family, yo.
What's going on? I'm on Tweet's channel.
Yes.
Her channel, my channel, 2 people. Her channel, 2 million people. So
Get out.
I'm trying to get on her channel to get 4 people. When I get 4 people, I get 6.
Well, I'm gonna bring some over to you.
I hope y'all got cars.
If y'all live in the Akron area, this is Lanier's. He's repping his t-shirt, as y'all can see.
You can see right now, look how much purple is that.
Oh, yeah.
That's all.
So that means that's dirty?
Yeah, that's the fallout from the brake dust and all of that.
Okay, y'all don't know nothing about no cars. It's coming along. He's doing a lot more than I would ever do to this car, but it's looking good. I'm gonna do a short little reel too of some of the snippets of him getting the car together. I didn't want my full video to be him doing my car, but just y'all see that he's doing my car. Right now he is doing the tires and just got done washing it and drying it and then air compressing it, and I think he has to air compress some more, but y'all, I'm trying to keep up because it's a lot. It's a lot. Well, y'all, he got it all done. She looking nice and clean. She looking shiny. Saturday, I forgot to turn my camera on while I was getting ready, you guys, but I just took a picture and put it on my Instagram of my whole entire outfit. But yeah, me and my cousin Charmel getting ready to go to her cousin Var's birthday party, and y'all, I didn't want to go. I had changed my mind real quick after it took her forever to come over here. And now I guess I'm ready to go again. So we get ready to head on out. But she taking all day. I just got done putting her wig on and she's still taking all day.
Hi, fam.
Yeah, she thinks she cute, y'all. Look at her. Here go her outfit.
Little something for the people.
Yeah, she thinks she cute. You ready?
Yep, let's go.
All right.
They look all right now, don't they?
What?
My eyebrows.
Yeah,
I
that
didn't
was
get a
fine
chance to.
before.
Yeah, I gotta go get them waxed. I ain't had time.
Dang, she act like she about to go meet her a man or something.
I'm
It's a
right.
family function.
Right.
Like, what man you think gonna be there? And my house looking crazy because I just got done doing her hair. I got to clean my house up when I get back home.
That's not mine.
Huh?
I said, you got your designer shit.
I ain't got no designer, nothing. This is Fashion Nova. They talking about wear some designer, honey. I don't come from designer. I come from Fashion Nova, honey. They ain't getting no designer, nothing from me. My boots might be designer.
In your bag.
That little Coach bag, that ain't nothing. That little wristlet, I got that for my car key. Anyhow, y'all, I'm gonna try to get some footage when I get there, but because of the music that's gonna be blasting, y'all know I'm gonna have to mute that stuff. I'll try to throw in something though to accommodate.
Right.
So we'll see y'all in a minute.
I sleep with the TV on. I got, what's that stuff called, PTSD or something? Like my mind, I look out the windows and stuff. Hey, but that's another time for another story. I gotta have some music on. But I'm gonna tell y'all a story. Hear me out, y'all. I called Torsha. Hold on, y'all ain't listening. Ain't nobody listening. Listen to me right now. This game right here. I had called Torsha. I told Torsha, I said, Torsha, I love y'all. I miss you, LeBron. Shiny. I come up with y'all. This is a game. I come up with y'all. Latia, Michi, these are my childhood friends. I love to see them when I see them. Terrell, I miss my only people.
What's up, fam? Happy hump day. You guys, today I am finally getting a new refrigerator. It's being delivered between 12:30 and 4:30. So I'm not quite for sure when they're gonna get here. I'm just hoping it's more so right on the dot at 12:30 because I really don't want to have to sit and wait all day in this house for this refrigerator to get delivered. But if I do, it is what it is, because I got to get this refrigerator. My old refrigerator that I've had now for 16 years, as long as I've been in this house, because we bought it brand new when we moved in here. It's finally kicking the bucket, and it's starting to progressively get worse with the sound that I hear. And the top part of the refrigerator is starting to freeze, so I know that it's getting ready to go. I've never ever heard a refrigerator sound like mine before, but I assume that because it is 16 years old, that it's done. It did what it had to do for them 16 years. I appreciate it. And I ordered myself another one, same cubic foot, because I just didn't want to get into the dimensions of the refrigerator and then have to potentially send it back because it's too big. So I just got the same size, so we ain't got to worry about it. I ain't want nothing fancy or anything like that, because when it comes to like home appliances and stuff like that, I'm not a big fan of, oh, I gotta have GE or I gotta have Whirlpool, because that refrigerator up there, it's a Whirlpool. The refrigerator that I ordered, I don't even know what that name brand is. I never even heard of it before. All I know is it's stainless steel. It's the same cubic foot as that one. So that's what I went with. And it kind of looks like the old one as well. But right now I gotta throw these clothes, y'all, in the dryer, in my sheets, so I can put them back on my bed. And then I gotta empty out the refrigerator, what's left in it. I emptied out the freezer last night and put the little bit of food that I had in my deep freezer. And now I just gotta take pretty much all the condiments that's in the door, take those out. And I got like maybe some bacon. I should have put the bacon in the freezer too. I think I will. And my creamer, my coffee creamer, I'm gonna wait until they actually get here and take the coffee creamer out, because I just don't want it sitting out for like 4 hours and then I'm gonna have to replace my coffee creamer, because y'all know my sense of smell, it kicks in and out, and most of the time it's out, so I can't trust if I leave it out if it's gonna still be good. I ain't have much to wash today. And then I got my mop and my mop water in this bucket right here, because as soon as they pull this refrigerator out, y'all, that's 16 years worth of dust and dirt. Honey, I know it's about to look like a hot mess up under this refrigerator, and I'm gonna get it before they bring this new refrigerator in, because ain't no telling when the next time I'm gonna be able to do it again. All right, you guys, so I'll be back in a little bit, fam. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let y'all know what's going on for today. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. This way would probably be easier.
Yeah.
In the basement.
What's wrong with this fridge today?
It's getting ready to. Oh my gosh. It's been like a year where I just keep hearing it making the noise. And then it's starting to get a little bit more often, and I'm like, I might as well just go ahead and do it now.
It's always better to get it before it does.
Yeah.
Not waste all
And
your food.
the refrigerator part, like one like shelf, is starting to freeze everything. Before you bring in the new one, is it okay if I sweep under here?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks horrible.
get this out of here for you.
Another day.
Okay, you're all set.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're
That was
welcome.
quick.
The temperature is already set. Your instruction book's in the drawer.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
You too.
I'll get the door. Alrighty, you guys, so I had to rip the plastic off of the refrigerator, and that was hard to do. They also had to take the banister rail off to bring up the refrigerator, which let me know right away that this refrigerator was a lot bigger than the other one, because with the other one, when they brought the refrigerator in, they did not have to dismantle anything to get it up these stairs. And it kind of sits out a little bit further than the other one. And y'all already know my kitchen is small, so to lose any amount of space, it's just like, really, you just shrunk my kitchen some more. But it's my own fault. But I'm glad that I didn't get the, I think it was a 21 cubic foot refrigerator that I was going to get. But thank God again that I didn't, because this refrigerator is a lot bigger. And I'll show y'all what this new refrigerator look like. Okay, so here's the new refrigerator, you guys, and you see how it sticks out so much further from the countertops. The other refrigerator was evenly flush with the countertops, so this one is sticking out a little bit more. The freezer is just now starting to get cold, but I'm not gonna get any groceries until tomorrow. So this is what the inside of the freezer looks like. And this is what, and I'm still grabbing it right here because I'm so used to grabbing my handles here. Now the handles are here. So this is what the inside of the refrigerator looks like. So I got all the condiments and stuff back in there. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a little grocery shopping tomorrow, nothing major. And yeah, but that's the refrigerator. I'm also gonna get another, I'm thinking some type of container to put my cheeses in, because I lost that middle part here where I just kept like nothing but cheeses. So I lost that. So I'm gonna find something that I can put my cheeses in and get them out from the bottom, because I normally keep like my butter and cream cheese and biscuits at the bottom, and then on the other side I keep my fruit. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyways, this is my new refrigerator. Nothing major. All right, Alrighty, you guys, so that's gonna be it for this video, and I'm gonna see you guys on another one real soon. If you guys haven't heard by now, I do have a new Instagram. It is MsTweet422. So if you guys haven't started following me, if you have an Instagram, you can go ahead and follow me on my IG platform. I only have an Instagram, a TikTok, and a Facebook profile. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I will follow back. And I will see y'all on another video real soon, fam. Love you guys. Peace.